All right. If you already know the basics of Gamma AI and want to use it like a pro, this guide will show you advanced tips to create faster, smarter, and more professional content. First, your prompt matters a lot. Be specific about topic, audience, and style. Yeah, this gives you better results instantly. Don't rely 100% on AI. Use it to generate the first draft, then refine everything manually. Always organize your content, intro, main points, and conclusion. Yeah, this keeps your presentation clear and professional. Now adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or style. Consistency makes a huge difference. Don't just add random images, use visuals that support your message. Yeah, every element should have a purpose. Pro tip, keep slides simple. One idea per slide works best for clarity and impact. You can turn one piece of content into multiple formats, slides, blog posts, or YouTube scripts. Yeah, this saves time. Generate multiple versions and pick the best one. Small variations can improve quality a lot. Adjust your content based on where you'll use it, YouTube, business, or education. Yeah, each platform needs a different style. Finally, practice. The more you use Gamma, the better your results will get. Consistency is key. And yeah, that's how you use Gamma AI like a pro. Once you apply these tips, your content will look cleaner, faster, and way more professional.